Welcome back, Yoga Stars! Today we're taking space yoga with Nova to the next level. This flow is all about strength, balance, flexibility, and focus. Move with control, listen to your body, and remember, yoga is not about being perfect. It's about breathing, trying, and getting stronger with every move. Stand tall and let it out. Let's begin. Great job, Yoga Stars! You just completed a stronger space yoga flow with Nova. Today you worked on strength, balance, flexibility, focus, and calm breathing. Keep practicing, keep listening to your body, and keep shining bright. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Yoga with Nova adventures. See you next time, Space Stars!